Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caviar Kez. Today I'm going to be doing my initial review. This is about my 1 week update on this hair. This hair is from Rosa Beauty. And this is the Rosa Beauty 26 inch with a 20 inch closure Peruvian bundle straight, and then it's in Remy hair. And I paid $276 Canadian for 4 bundles. I ended up using most of the bundles, the 4 bundle, but then I removed some afterwards. So this is how much I have left over. It's about a bundle, but yeah, this is how much hair I did not use. I wanted it to look more natural looking. The things about this hair that you must know if you're planning on buying it, because it's been a love-hate relationship since I installed it into the wig. Right away I noticed that it felt very soft initially, but once you washed it, it kind of changed the texture. So that leads me to believe that it had some kind of coating on it, maybe silicone, to make it feel softer. There are a lot of color strands in the hair, all over the closure, all throughout the hair. I feel like it's not my favorite hair, but it might be someone else's favorite hair. So for the price, it's really good considering I got 4 bundles of 26 inches. So for the price, you can get a lot of hair. It's not going to be hair that's going to last you forever. When I was straightening the hair and blow drying it, I noticed that some of the strands were melting. And I'm just going to be honest, like, it's never my mission to bash any companies or throw them under the bus. That's why I want to talk about that. So I don't know if this is mixed with some synthetic strands. So there were also a lot of color threads in the hair, I've noticed, when I was creating the wig. On the closure, there was like some strands of thread in there, and throughout the bundles, I'm not 100% sure what that means, but that's that. I wanted to share that with you guys. The hair tangles a lot. It's very thick. It almost feels like kind of rough. Like, it doesn't feel like super smooth. It feels like hair that you've had for a while, if that makes sense. It feels like hair that's like high maintenance. In order for it to look like this, you have to blow dry it, you have to straighten it daily. In a few hours, it might become a little bit more frizzy. That was also something that I'm not a huge fan of. But again, for the price, it's not bad. You can get away with it looking really good. But personally, like, this could never be my everyday hair because it's too high maintenance for me. I like hair that naturally sways with the wind and like bounce back. But like, I find that after a few hours, it kind of just stays there. Kind of reminds me of beauty supply hair back in the day. Like, do you remember when you'd get that Remy hair from the beauty supply store and you thought it was everything? That's what this is giving me. I'm not mad at it for the price. Like, I feel like I can live with it for the price that I paid. You can definitely skip getting the 4 bundles because you don't need it. You can get 3 bundles and that would be good enough for you. The shipping was quick. It came with FedEx free. The closure on this is magnificent. I think it's the most beautiful closure. Like, the lace matched my skin tone perfectly. As you guys can see, like, it looks very nice and realistic. And it's obviously a closure wig, so it's a 4x4, so it's from here to here. And yeah, it's a beautiful lace. Like, I have no concerns or problems, issues with the lace. It looks very beautiful to me. It definitely can fool a lot of people, and it looks nice when you wear it. You just have to have a brush with you at all times, because, you know, you're doing a few things here and there, kind of moving it around, and it just won't look nice. It needs to be brushed often, and that to me is too high maintenance. That's the end of this video. I hope it was helpful. I just wanted to keep it short and sweet for you guys. So if you have any questions, leave it below. As far as like, would I recommend it? I would recommend it for someone who is on a budget, and I'm not sure about the whole like maybe mixed with synthetic strands thing. I don't know why it was melting. My hair usually does not melt with the flat iron that I use. So that was a bit concerning to me, and I wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. So do what you will with that information, guys. And like I said, if you have any questions, leave them below. If you want me to try a specific hair company, let me know. I'm always looking for some hair companies to try out, new ones, and, you know, companies that I'm not aware of or I haven't tried before. Leave a thumbs up and a comment if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, and if you want to see more from me. Until next time, guys, peace!